Make sure that you click that red subscribe button right now and click the bell right next to it.
Oh my gosh, that's doing flip. Oh man, I'm stuck. Ha ha. Bye. I can't. Help me!
Oh man!
To give you a way to bump drive. You can move on. I'm trying to win the race. I'm kind of stuck here. I can help you move. Oh man, I'm stuck too. Better call the tow truck. Oh, someone's calling me. Oh, hello? Hello? Yes, I need a tow truck, please. Oh, yes, I'll come right back. Thank you, bye-bye. Much car I should take? It's gonna be here in just a minute, okay? Okay. No, no, no. Oh, no. This one. What? Oh, I had one. There. That's so funny. Don't get dirt on that car. God, son, I'm trying to walk here. How are you gonna get me out with that thing? I'm walking. What car is that? Yeah. You can't tell your dad. Oh my gosh, he can tell me. That's a cute, nice little car there, sir. I don't want to get a doggy. You broke my truck. Sorry. I'm not gonna win this race now. What? Hey, you forgot about me. I gotta win this race. I didn't win. I won! I gotta jump it. I gotta jump it. Yeah, now I gotta jump it.
Are you okay?
I have to finish this truck before the owner gets here. Oh no, I have another car to fix too. Oh, so much to do. repair this black one. My gloves and get my wrench. Oh, got so much to do. I have a customer. Hello, sir. What can I do for you?
My Ranger's broken. Can you fix it?
Of course.
I have to get this out today, okay? I need this done today.
Okay, I'll try my best. I'll see what I can do. I can't fix all these cars only by myself. I need some help. I know. I'll hire a worker. Hello. I need some money. Yes, I need some help. And I need some money. Okay, step over there. I have a few questions I have to ask you before we start. Okay. Can you use these tools? Yes. Can you fix things? I think so. Can you get to work on time? Oh, no. No. Alrighty, you got the job. I was when's vacation? Oh, brother, you start tomorrow. This guy's so late. Where is he? Have a question. Where's my plate? Got this tire off. Ooh, it's break time. You just got here. Get to work. Okay. Chill out, son. Have to get back to work. So many cars to fix. Finally, done with one truck. Now, 2 more. Get on that. Trying to make this more flat. Finally fixed. That's 2. What's that noise? It's coming from under that truck. What? He's sleeping? He's supposed to work on that one. Hey, get out of there. Go on the other truck. Hey, you wake me up. I'll psycho and see you wake me up. Are you serious? You're supposed to be working on that one, not that one. Go. Oh, no. Okay, now I have to fix this one. I'm going to drive that car. Hey, where did that car go? It was there just now. Hey, get back here. Hey! What are you doing? I'm taking a test drive. I told you, you have to work on that car that I told you what to do. This whole day, you're fired. Oh, no. Okay, there we go.